Welcome to the Insurance Leaders Lab podcast, designed for insurance professionals and leaders seeking inspiration, bold ideas, and actionable strategies. Our guests are remarkable individuals from various insurance industry sectors, and our host, Nina Shepard, has been an insurance leader for over 3 decades. Together, we explore what it truly means to be a bold and impactful leader and find personal fulfillment in the ever-evolving insurance world. New episodes are released bi-weekly on Thursdays. Be sure to follow the podcast on your platform of choice to receive alerts when new episodes drop. Bold leaders, frank dialogue, actionable strategies. Welcome to the Insurance Leaders Lab. Hi everyone, I'm Nina Shepard, the host of the Insurance Leaders Lab podcast. In this very first episode, I want to introduce myself so that we are not strangers. You may have noticed my accent. My original home country is Latvia, a small but mighty Baltic country with beautiful nature and hard-working people. I lived there for the first half of my life, and my love for nature and tendency to work hard will always stay with me. I have been a full-time insurance professional for over 3 decades. I led teams with 300-plus people and have held C-level leadership positions with insurance giants like Aon and independently owned insurance firms in Latvia, Poland, and the United States. I started in the early 90s when Latvia regained its independence after the collapse of the Soviet Union. I was a school teacher when it happened and was bold enough to establish an insurance brokerage and underwriting agency firm, frankly, with a very limited knowledge of what I was doing. Fairly soon, I realized what a fascinating field insurance is and how much I didn't know. That's when I decided to do an internship in the City of London and study at the Chartered Insurance Institute. Fast forward, my broking firm became a market leader in 7 years. I sold it to the world's largest insurance brokerage to grow beyond what I already knew. I then worked for that firm, coordinating transformational change and integration projects for post-mergers and acquisitions. Amid that, I also got my executive MBA, raised a wonderful son, and changed countries 3 times. I also started to become an executive coach to enhance my leadership skills and support more leaders. My leadership philosophy is that everyone can powerfully impact the world by focusing more on others and less on ourselves. I love seeing leaders flourish and positively impact the lives of employees, clients, communities, and of course their own and their families. Only later in life did I realize that even though I technically moved between different careers, a school teacher, a business owner, a C-suite leader, and an executive coach, those are the 4 foundational elements of one professional career in leadership that I have been pursuing all my life. At the core of everything I do is the urge to support others to grow and become flourishing leaders. Why does it all matter to you? When I look back to my busy insurance years, I see that the most impactful moments that made a difference for me happened not when I was hustling or pushing through, but when I had a quiet moment to reflect on what was going on, rethink the status quo, or strategize on a new idea. Those moments rarely happen on their own. They need to be created intentionally by setting the scene, tuning into a creative, lab-like environment, preferably with thoughtful partners. That's why the Insurance Leaders Lab podcast has been created, to be your thought partner, help you surface important topics, plan strategic actions, and give you the nudge to move forward. I hope you understand me better now. If you'd like to listen to my coming episodes, please subscribe. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Insurance Leaders Lab podcast. If you like what you've heard, please like it and leave a review on your preferred podcast platform. If there is anyone else in your circle who can benefit from listening, please share this link with them. Remember, this is a podcast for you, and your opinion matters to me, so if there is any topic you'd like to bring up, please send me a note to nina@ninashepard.com. I'll see you back in 2 weeks on Thursday morning. Bye for now.